Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's make some pie.
With Thanksgiving approaching, I thought I could share with you an easy pumpkin pie recipe. This is what you need: pie sheets or pie crust, sugar, oil, nuts, and of course pumpkin. After you washed the pumpkin, cut it in half, remove the seeds with a spoon, peel it and grate it. The history behind pumpkin pie is that northeastern Native American tribes grew squash and pumpkins. The Native Americans brought pumpkins as gifts to the first settlers and taught them the many uses for pumpkin. This led to serving pumpkin pie at the first Thanksgiving in America about 50 years later. The pumpkin and pumpkin pie are both a symbol of harvest time, and pumpkin pie is generally eaten during the fall and early winter. Did you know that the first pumpkin pies were actually whole baked pumpkins stuffed with assorted spices and apples? 50 million pumpkin pies are baked every year. The largest pumpkin pie on record was 5 feet around. It used 80 pounds of pumpkin and baked for 6 hours. Maybe I have a little bit too much of grated pumpkin, but it's not a problem. I can put it in a bag and freeze the extra. Let's make the pie. Lay the pie sheet. I usually lay 2 sheets at a time because they are very thin. Sprinkle some oil, grated pumpkin, sprinkle 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use white or brown sugar. Break some nuts with your hand, this way you make sure the pieces aren't too big, then fold it. Lay a sheet of baking paper in your pan. This dessert is crunchy and moist at the same time. It's delicious. Is perfect for gatherings, family lunches or dinners. Thanksgiving, you could also bring it to a party you are invited to, and it's so easy to make. On my channel, I do videos about organization, decor, cleaning motivation, home projects, gardening, and laundry hacks. I also did a lot of videos regarding folding different items. I hope you will stick around. Once you're done watching this video, be sure to check out my cleaning hacks playlist. I will help you clean faster and easier. If you're hosting Thanksgiving or other holiday, it can be overwhelming with all the dishes you have to make, all the decor, drinks and everything, so having an easy and fast dessert recipe is very helpful, and you can make this ahead of time. At the end, sprinkle some oil, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and some poppy seeds. Set your oven at 180 Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit and bake it for 45 to 60 minutes. It depends on the oven. Watch it from time to time until it looks like this, a little gold with crunchy brown ends. Yummy! I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. So delicious! Let it cool, then cut it in little squares. That's it! So simple and delicious. I hope this video was helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!